We are running out of viable real estate. As global energy demands climb, the rooftops we rely on are remaining exactly the same size. For over a decade, manufacturers met climbing energy targets using a reliable standard: Mono-PERC cells cut into perfect, uniform squares. But when efficiency hit a wall, the industry opted for a brute force approach. They simply made the square wafers larger, pushing formats like the M10 and the massive G12 to generate more raw wattage. The physics did not scale. These oversized panels became too heavy for standard roof load limits, created awkward physical overhangs, and buckled under their own weight, leading to severe microcracking across the silicon. Scaling up physical dimensions had reached a hard ceiling. To pull more power from a shrinking footprint, engineers had to tear the architecture down to the atomic level and rebuild it from scratch. In traditional P-type PERC cells, sunlight excites electrons to create an electrical current. The flaw is in the surface geometry. Before those excited electrons can be captured, many of them hit the cell's surface and recombine, losing their electrical charge entirely. The chemical fix is TOPCon, or Tunnel Oxide Passivated Contact. Engineers inject a microscopic 1.5 nanometer layer of tunnel oxide straight into the cell's architecture. At the atomic level, this oxide layer acts as a one-way gate, blocking excited electrons and forcing them downward. On this efficiency chart, standard cells degrade and peak heat, but TOPCon maintains a sharp upward trajectory, converting over 23% of sunlight into power. There is a structural cost to this chemical upgrade. TOPCon requires ultra-thin silicon to function properly. That introduces a mechanical vulnerability, forcing a complete overhaul of the panel's physical shape. Since the inception of the modern solar panel, assembly lines have been built around laying perfectly square wafers side by side. The G12R format abandons that geometry. It adopts a specific rectangular aspect ratio, measuring exactly 210 by 182 millimeters. Laying square shapes inside a rectangular frame leaves gaps of dead space. Rectangular silicon allows perfectly flush tiling, eliminating negative space entirely. This specific shape captures massive utility-scale power generation, while staying slim enough to align perfectly with standard commercial roof mounting tracks. The exact physical shape of the silicon dictates total energy yield just as much as the internal chemistry. The G12R acts as the precise spatial compromise between raw output and practical installation. Shaving high-tech wafers down to 130 microns thick makes them hyper-efficient, but it also leaves them fragile and highly sensitive to environmental moisture. To protect the silicon, manufacturers stripped away the traditional plastic backsheet. They sandwiched the delicate cells between two panes of tempered glass, creating a dual-glass, vapor-proof barrier. This rigid glass enclosure provides heavy-duty mechanical support. It stops the thin wafers from flexing and cracking under the stress of high winds or heavy transport vibrations. Because the rear of the panel is now completely transparent, the cells become bifacial. As sunlight hits the ground beneath the array, the reflected light bounces upward, entering the rear surface and boosting total power yield by up to 30%. The dual-glass architecture takes the inherent physical weakness of a thin wafer and turns it into a multi-directional power generator. These micro-optimizations scale all the way up to the global supply chain. The exact dimensions of the G12R rectangle were mathematically engineered to align with international shipping standards. Rectangular panels utilize 98.5% of a 40-foot container, slashing freight costs. With G12R pushing wattage over 600 watts, developers need significantly smaller inventories for a 100 kilowatt array. This demands a fraction of the mounting hardware, less DC wiring, and reduced manual labor. Capturing these massive deployment savings requires enduring severe short-term friction. Manufacturers across the industry are currently freezing production for up to 6 months, absorbing the massive cost to physically retool their stringers and laminators for rectangular formats. The transition to G12R TOPCon is a painful and permanent reconfiguration of global renewable infrastructure. The result is a modernized grid that costs less to ship, takes less effort to build, and maximizes power in every inch.